Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. We are with you with a tutorial on withdrawing from an account at broker TMGM Tether USDT TRC20. As you saw in the previous tutorial, we funded our account using this method. And now we intend to withdraw this balance. To do this, you need to click on the withdrawal option under the funding section in the left panel. On this page, various withdrawal methods will be displayed to you, and in this tutorial we will use the USDT method, and from the TRC20 network. As you can see, the withdrawal process will be completed within 1 to 2 business days. On the next page, in the first section, you need to select the account from which you want to withdraw your balance. Here, the currency of this account will be displayed to you. And in the next section you enter the desired withdrawal amount. At this point, the payment method will be shown to you, and please note that the minimum withdrawal amount is $100. If you have previously saved your withdrawal addresses, you can use them. And if you are requesting a withdrawal to a new address for the first time, set this section to New and enter your wallet address here. In the next section, for verification, click on the Get Code option, and a code will be sent to your email. You need to enter this code here so that your withdrawal request can be confirmed. Go to your email inbox, and as you can see, you can find the withdrawal confirmation code in this section. Enter the receive code in this section, and by keeping this box checked, you will save the withdrawal address for future withdrawals. If you wish, you can add some information regarding this withdrawal, and then click on the Submit button. On the next page, the withdrawal address will be shown to you again, and if the address is correct, you confirm the process. Well, your withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. And once the withdrawal is completed, you will receive an email. To view the details of this transaction, you can go to the Report section to see the details of your withdrawal request. And if you decide to cancel the withdrawal, you can do so in this section. And as you can see, after 1 business day, our withdrawal was successfully completed. For more tutorials, you can visit our channel. Good luck.